What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas and today I'm going to provide you a monster breaking news type update for AgEagle, and I'm telling you, you guys are not going to want to miss this one. So if you're interested, stay tuned right after this. I start providing you guys with this epic news on AgEagle. Like I said, you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I honestly am going to continue to thank you guys every single video because the outpouring for the subscriptions has just been amazing. I honestly can't thank you enough. Same goes for the like button. You guys are commenting and liking the videos, and it helps get these videos out to the YouTube universe and allows people to see what you guys see every single day. So let's continue to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Let's continue to smash that like button. Continue to comment below. And now it's like getting into the video. Oh man, I am hyped to bring you this one. I really am. I am super pumped. And the reason is because I'm getting the same vibes I had when I invested back into Workhorse back in the early 2019 range. Right where I was like, yeah, this company has a lot going for them. And I believe in the vision. The same goes for AgEagle. You know, they just recently completed their move to Wichita, Kansas. There might be some connections there with a big time e-commerce company. I don't know, maybe the likes of an Amazon. We'll find out. There's most definitely a lot of positivity and a lot of traction for this company. And the reason I say that is because yes, some of it may be considered some speculation, but the more and more that this company starts to, progress ahead and move forward, I think they're starting to peel back some of the layers that is considered speculation, and they're becoming facts, and it's supporting facts. So with that being said, I want to provide you guys with some hard facts from articles that help support this company moving forward and why it could potentially be a massive stock here within the next, year to a couple years. So I'm going to swing over here and provide you guys with some articles and some facts. So it says that AgEagle is now located next to Jabara Airport, which is located in Wichita, Kansas. Whoop whoop, Kansas! And so then it says that they are now an approved authorization to be able to fly low altitude authorization and notification capabilities. So basically it allows them to do the LAANC. And this is going to be very, very important moving forward. And I think it is a very, piece of detailed information that needs to be highlighted when it comes to AgEagle. I mean, they are right down the street from the capabilities of testing their drones at an airport. Continuing on, in April of 2020, AgEagle reported through a press release that it had received follow-on purchase orders to manufacture commercial drones for package delivery, and that is just huge information. And then it continues to say this would be with a major e-commerce company. They also go into detail on the impact of a coronavirus and how the drones can be used as pandemic drones. The major e-commerce is believed to be Amazon. Really eye-opening information, because since that point of being tied to Amazon and being, that article in April, this stock has ran 500%. 500%. I mean, that right there alone shows what happens when you get tied with an e-commerce company like Amazon. I mean, Amazon is a monster powerhouse. So back over here, and it says that since the drone logistics and transportation market is projected to grow from 11.2 billion in 2022 to 29.1 billion by 2027. The commercial sector is expected to lead the market in 2022 with increasing use of drones for deliveries in parcel, medical, and food. And I think with the coronavirus really having an impact, worldwide, I think we are going to start seeing people take measures, start taking steps to having deliveries done by drones. Two companies that I'm currently invested in are taking this thing seriously. One being AgEagle, and 2 being workhorse. I mean, it really is exciting to see. Very, very intriguing to see the amount of increase in, the requests for drones and for drone deliveries. So it says increasing demand for faster delivery in logistics industry is fueling capital investments in drone delivery initiatives. In fact, the FAA reports that registration of commercial UAV market will triple in size by 2023, with an estimated 823,000 drones flying at that time. So that really puts into perspective the direction at which we're heading. So now this is where the fire starts to cook. This is where this information really starts to get juicy, and this thing is gushing with information. So we're going to swing over here. According to Investor Place, a little digging strongly suggests that this unnamed major e-commerce company is Amazon. A little more digging reveals that the follow-on PO could be the beginning of a significant multi-year partnership between the two companies, wherein AgEagle becomes a major Amazon drone supplier. Yep. Of course, if that happens, the 2020 breakout in UAV stock will turn into something much bigger over the next few years. After all, AgEagle features a market cap of just $150 million today. The drone delivery market projects to measure $29 billion by 2027. At the same time that AgEagle reported the second batch of POs from its e-commerce partner, it was confirmed that Amazon will be building a 140,000 square foot warehouse in Wichita, a stone's throw away from AgEagle's, current Kansas site. The same month, AgEagle said in an SEC filing that it would be relocating its headquarters and manufacturing operations to Wichita. The company has since just done that. Let's keep this train a-rolling because I love what we're doing here. Further, also around that time of the PO's announcement, a video was leaked online that began with an AgEagle and Amazon logo, implying a collaboration between the two companies. The video mostly involved AgEagle's founder unloading an Amazon drone from its crate. It has since been removed. Final piece of this, amazing information. It says AgEagle has also suddenly raised a bunch of capital over the past few months from institutional investors. Somebody knows something who have never heard of AgEagle. And obviously you're probably thinking to yourself, why? Why AgEagle? Amazon is obviously a billion-dollar company. I mean, their CEO is worth an outrageous amount of B's, billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars. So why would they pick a small company, a small drone maker in Wichita, Kansas, and why would they, what interests them in them? So I'm gonna swing over here because, well, I have that for you. It says, surprisingly, AgEagle's drone tech is actually very, very impressive and perfectly suitable for logistics. Because if you don't know, their background is, well, agriculture. Obviously, it's in the title of their name, and they're obviously very heavily involved with, hemp and all that type of thing as well. So their first, go-to before any of this logistics talk came up was actually farming and really, manufacturing drones for the farming industry. It says the drones are exceptionally rugged and durable, perfect for delivering packages in all neighborhoods. They can fly for up to an hour, well above the standard among drones today, which is about 30 minutes, and again, perfect for an industry that will require these drones to deliver many packages throughout a day. Also equipped with advanced aerial imaging technology, which can be used to identify objects on the ground, even in the cloudiest of conditions, a feature which, when applied to logistics, could enable these drones to see delivery destinations at all times of day and in all weather conditions. Originally they were doing this, like I stated, for agriculture. It was to take good pictures of farming fields and to really provide back that good information to farmers so they could capitalize on their crops. Now we're starting to see a new direction. Not that they're gonna, give up the ag part, but they're seeing a new direction in logistics. And so what they're saying is, in other words, without knowing it, AgEagle has constructed a drone tech framework that is ideal for the logistics industry. And so I'm going to continue on because, well, we got some huge news today revolving around Amazon. And I think we can see a tie because, well, AgEagle went up with Amazon. So Amazon and the FAA basically approved, Amazon for its drone delivery service. It says Amazon on Monday received approval from the Federal Aviation Administration to operate its fleet of prime air delivery drones. The approval will give Amazon broad privileges to safely and efficiently deliver packages to customers, the FAA said. Amazon joins UPS and Alphabet-owned Wing, who previously won FAA approval for their drone delivery operations. Amazon received federal approval to operate its fleet of prime air delivery drones, the Federal Aviation Administration said Monday, a milestone that allows the company to expand unmanned package delivery. The approval will give Amazon broad privileges to safely and efficiently deliver packages to customers, the agency said. The certification comes under Part 135 of FAA regulations, which gives Amazon the ability to carry property on small drones beyond the visual line of sight of the operator. I am really looking forward to breaking this chart down, and we have come to that point because, well, it's my favorite part of any video. So let's swing on over here and dive into this chart. UAVS is the ticker symbol. This is going to be Ag Aerial Systems Inc. And today we opened at $2.65, got as high as $3.20. Its low was $2.51. Its volume today was 15.91 million. Its market cap is 177.4 million. Its 52-week high is $5.15. 52-week low is 19 cents. Man, that's pretty low. And its average volume is 10.96 million. Today it closed at $3.10, which was a 23.02% run. I do remember seeing it up 25%. It looks like it closed, at 23.02, and it continued to climb a little bit more in the after hours, finishing out at $3.14 with an additional run of 1.29%, closing out the day. Now this is a 6-month chart because I needed to include April, and the reason is because of that information I provided at the beginning of this video. Lets you know that when it got tied to Amazon, the run this thing started. So at the beginning of April, you can see that monster spike that occurred, and that's because of the correlation with Amazon. I mean, what that will do, it right there shows you. So then it leveled back off, but it stayed at a decent price point. For being at 19 cents, being able to stay in the dollar range, that is pretty awesome. And then they decided to move to Wichita, and then some more correlation and connections to Amazon occurred, and then we see the monster spike, and that shot all the way up, and I do believe it hit its 52-week high of $5.15 around that time. Since then we've kind of leveled back off, had a little bit of a dip there here recently, but we're starting to make that run again. We're starting to see a lot come from this company, and I think anytime Amazon mentions drones, I think you're going to see some spike in AgEagle because, like I said, there's some dots there, and then there's some behind the scenes connections, I believe, that are occurring. And so anytime that happens, I think you're going to see AgEagle make a run. I believe in this company. I think that they are moving forward in the right direction. Even if they don't have a partnership with Amazon, even though it has just huge information, I think moving forward in the logistics field, I think there are a lot of companies out there that are going to be seeking this type of delivery service. I mean, there really is. I do think Amazon has a huge hand in this, but you got to think of the likes of a Walmart. You got to think of like FedEx, UPS, and there's so many more grocery stores like Kroger. I mean, there are a lot of opportunities that can come with this drone service. I do want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor, and anything that I say in this video is for entertainment purposes only. I think you should be able to do your own due diligence when it comes to stocks like this, and make sure you do your own research because that supports and helps out in definitely investing into stocks and the stock market in general. No question going to be a stock of the future, and like I stated, they have a lot going for them. So keep your eye on them and really pay attention to the news when it comes out on drones, because I do think you might see AgEagle pop up. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.